Hello all, my name is Krish Naik and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, this is a super important video for everyone. Please make sure that you watch till the end, because here I'm just going to summarize some 6 key points that you always have to remember in your mind. And this should be throughout your life. I've seen many people learning different technologies. I've seen some of the people, they are really successful. They are able to get jobs. They're able to make amazing successful career transition. There are other some people, who have still not made transition, but they're still working hard. And I've also seen some people who have just given up. They probably don't want to go through that specific path. And it may be because of many reasons as such. And always remember that yes, life is going to be hard at one point of time. And our work as a human being is that we really need to continuously be skilled. We really need to keep on working hard. We really need to keep on trying, right? And in this, some people, they definitely give up because again, there are many reasons why may they give up, surrounding support, or probably, they may not have that specific interest. So for those people, I really want to put this 6 points, 6 key points, and probably this will be super important for everyone. Okay. Specifically related to technology, specifically related to the learning process that you're going through. And learning process can be long. It can be 1 month, 2 month, 3 months. And again, guys, obviously this is not a technical video, but this talk that I'm actually giving is a kind of motivational talk, and I usually love to give this every, like, I probably want to definitely make at least 1 or 2 videos in a month, because people who are learning things, right, they definitely require this key guidance, key motivations, in short. Okay, I'm not that motivational guru kind of stuff, like, no. Whatever things I apply in my life, I basically tell you all those specific points. So let's go with the first point, and this is with respect to anyone who's learning, right? Don't be hard on yourself, guys. This is super important. Don't ever be hard on yourself, right? I've seen people, uh, let's say some of the examples for the people who are from non-technical background, they really want to become a data scientist. I'm just giving you one example. And I have some of my friends in iNeuron. We have so many students who have done that, who have made this successful career transition. But initially, right, they find a lot of problem while understanding the programming language, building that logic, building skills and all, right? And every time, I have got so many mails from them saying that, Krish, it is not, I'm not able to do it. I really want to quit. I don't want to do this preparation. The only thing that I said is that don't be hard on yourself. As time will come, as you keep on practicing more and more, you will get that. You will get that, because now see, the thinking level of what will happen is that in a classroom, right, other people were able to submit the assignments, but that guy was not able to submit the assignment. So this kind of competitiveness, when it comes in mind, right, it always becomes a problem, right? Others are able to do, I'm not able to do, so I'm just going to quit. Don't do like that. Don't be hard on yourself. And there are also some more points that I really want to mention over here. Coming to the second point, give yourself time. This is what I was actually saying. If others are able to perform well, you will also be able to perform well, because both, like, you know you just have to give yourself time. You have to basically get accommodated with that entire thing what you're doing. And the other person may be from a technical background. He may have some kind of advantage. He may probably have worked in some programming language. Don't try to compare yourself with others, guys. So don't be hard on yourself. Second point is give yourself time. As you give yourself time, right, everything will be stable. Now coming to the third point, guys, don't worry much of the outcome. See, guys, whenever we are learning any technology, in short, we are focusing more on the skill sets, right? We are trying to gain something, and that skill set will be used some or the other way. You know, it will definitely be used. I've seen that in my life also. I've learned multiple technologies, at points, I also know JavaScript, and I've used JavaScript in some of my projects, when we do not have that many number of resources, you know. So just understand whatever you're learning, right? That is a skill set that you're actually gaining. You're not losing something, and it will be used some or the other way. Okay. So this is the most important point. The third point, don't worry much of the outcome. Now, keep on preparing and learning continuously. As a human being, we really need to keep on learning, keep on preparing. You know, learning is the thing that we should definitely do, because we are smart, right? We have brains and we have to evolve our brains. We have to use our brains with the right technology, with the right techniques to do something amazing. So in data science also, one very important key point is that you have to keep on learning continuously. There is no shortcuts. Many people say that, Krish, once I get into the data science job, will I stop learning? No, it is not possible, guys. There's so much different problem statements that you'll be getting. You have to keep on doing research. You have to keep on understanding different domains, right? So learning continuously, and you have to also prepare. That always needs to be in your mindset. Otherwise, just imagine within 1 year time span, right? All the technology will become legacy. That much evolved. The technology is getting basically evolved, with amazing things that are coming up. Just in a couple of years, you can see how many different kind of changes are there, right? Now, coming to the next point, don't feel demotivated. This is where I said, right? When you see some of your friends getting some amazing salary, getting some amazing jobs, and you're saying that, okay, we learned together, but I could not do it, he did it. It's okay, you know. See, every people, the learning process can be different. One person can quickly learn, he can quickly implement, right? In the case of the other person, right, he may take some time to learn. But once he learns that, he'll be a pro master in that, right? So this kind of differences will be there. Some of the person's interview may go well, some of the person interview may not go well. So you don't have to feel demotivated. Just imagine that, yes, the God, the creator, wants you to work a little bit more harder. And once you work a little bit more harder, then you get the success, you'll enjoy it. Okay? So don't feel demotivated by that, guys. This is super important. Now, coming to the last point, don't hesitate to take the help of Google. Okay? I really have a very key important point over here, guys. Understand, we human beings, right? We are not storage device. We don't have to remember each and everything. We are smart people, right? We have to invent something. We have to produce something. We have to keep on implementing something, right? And for that, you don't have to by heart anything. So purely take the help of Google. Google is such an amazing thing. I still remember when I was in 2007 and 8, when I was doing my college, we used to refer books. Right now, the internet material is so huge. Google, obviously, YouTube tutorials, everything. Definitely take the help of them. Do not hesitate. Don't feel that, okay, you may feel demotivated by that. But now, also, right, even though I've worked so many years, if I really have any queries, I'll just go. Even I will not remember the syntax. Now, these are some of the points to remember, guys. Understand everybody are different. Everybody is talented. Everybody has that rare, unique talents. I believe that there is a rare, unique talent which one person can do, which other cannot do. Right? That is what I believe, right? So this is super important to understand. Whenever you learn any technology, don't get demotivated, guys. Motivational is a thing that should keep on taking you up. And even in my classes, I usually say this last 15 to 20 minutes, which gets boosted, which where the students gets boosted. And once they get boosted, I've seen many people making successful career transition and trying to achieve your goal, right? So you should also be patient with respect to this. Everything will work out, right? So yes, this was it from my side. I'll see you all in the next video. If you like this kind of videos, just let me know in the comment section whether you want this kind of videos more frequently. I'll definitely upload it. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you and all. Bye bye.